Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.6 question number 6. Draw an angle of measure 45 degree and bisect it. First of all, let us take a ruler. Now draw a line. Right? You have drawn a line. You take a measure of 45 degree angle with the help of protractor. We are taking 45 degree. Right? Here you see this is our protractor, and here right. Now we'll take angle of 45 degree. Right? It is 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is 50, this is 45, right? Or you can, so in this way also, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is 45, right? Now we take angle of 45 degree, right? Let us take angle of 45 degree. Let us take angle of 45 degree. Angle of 45 degree, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, this point. Right? Now remove this. Remove this protector, and with the help of ruler I'll draw a line. Now draw a line here, that is 45 degree. Remove this scale. Now put an arrow mark here. Here we'll give the arrow mark. We'll give the arrow mark here and name this angle, that is angle A. This is angle, this is B point, and this is C point. And angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Now you have to bisect this angle, right? Then take a protractor. With the help of protractor, we can bisect this angle. Take a help of protractor. Let us take a protractor here. Let us take the help of protractor. Here we have taken the help protractor, right? Now taking this pointer on point B, take this pointer on point B, take this pointer on point B, take this pointer on point B, and draw an arc here. Take the length up to here to make an arc. Then make an arc here. Make an arc here, right? Taking this point on this here we will make another curve and taking this point, at this point make another curve here, right? Now you see, now if we draw this line, this is the angle bisector of angle ABC, right? Let us draw this. Now draw a line here, right? Now give the name here. Let us give the name as ABC. This is, give an arrow here, and this is D. And here you see that BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC, right? BD is the BD is the angle bisector bisector angle BD is angle bisector of angle ABC. Here angle ABC, here angle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 45 degree, and since BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC, therefore we can write angle ABD is equal to angle DBC, angle DBC. ABD is equal to angle DBC, right? In this way you can make the measure of this angle, right? Here the question was, draw an angle of measure 45 degree and bisect it. We have drawn a measure of angle 45 degree with the help of protractor and bisect this angle, right? Therefore BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Here angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Therefore you can say that angle ABD is equal to angle DBC. This is the solution of question number 6 of exercise 14.6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.